this video, we will show you how to pin message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp has been released new features called pin message. This pin features works on personal chat or group chat. For example, in here, let's using personal chat. When you have the important chat and you don't want lose because there are many chat, you can just pin by holding your chat here. For example, I want to pin this message or this chat. Just hold down. Okay, after you hold this chat, you can just click this button. Okay, this vertical button and select pin. By default, WhatsApp is select 7 days and no lifetime or no forever along in here. Okay, you can see by default it's 7 days, and you can using another option for 1 day or 24 hours or 1 month or 30 days. Okay, for example, I just select 7 days as default and click pin. Now you can see if you scroll down, the pin is in here, so you will easy to click this and go to your pinned message or your pinned chat. Okay, this works of course in group or in personal chat. Okay, let's try on group. This is try. Okay, let's see. This is the pin on group, you can see there. Okay, after you select the chat, just click pin here, and the time is also the same, 24 hours, 7 days and 30 days. Just click pin after that. Then how to unpin your chat? Just click on your chat on personal chat here. You can hold down in here. Okay, just hold down and click unpin. You can see there you successfully unpin, or the number second after you pin in here. You can also using a method using this tree menu. Okay, just click this on your chat and then select this, and you can select unpin. It's almost the same for the group. Let's just hold on in here and select this and select unpin. And that's all tutorial how to pin message or chat in WhatsApp. This is the new features, and hope this information helpful for you. Thanks for watching.